Why encrypt sensitive files?
Encryption transforms your files into unreadable data, making them inaccessible without the right password or key. Protecting sensitive documents, like financial records or personal information, prevents unauthorized access whether your device is lost, stolen, or compromised. As digital threats increase, encryption offers a powerful layer of security to safeguard your files wherever they are stored or shared.
What are AI encryption tools?
AI encryption tools use artificial intelligence to simplify and strengthen the process of encrypting files. They often automate key management, suggest best practices, and adapt security settings based on file content or usage patterns. This means you don't need expert knowledge to keep your data safe. These tools guide you and reduce the chance of mistakes that could leave files exposed.
How to encrypt files with AI assistance.
Begin by installing a trusted AI encryption tool from a reputable provider. Open the app and select the files or folders you want to encrypt. The AI will typically recommend optimal settings, such as selecting a strong password and the best encryption method. Follow the prompts to confirm and encrypt your files. The tool will let you know when the process is complete, keeping your data shielded.
Accessing and sharing encrypted files.
To access encrypted files, use the same AI encryption app and enter your password or passphrase. If you need to share files, many AI tools can create secure, time-limited download links or encrypted attachments. Only people with the correct credentials can open them, ensuring safe collaboration without sacrificing file security.
Best practices for secure encryption.
Use strong, unique passwords and store them securely with a password manager. Regularly update your AI encryption tool to patch any vulnerabilities. Avoid sharing sensitive files over unsecured channels. Always double-check recipients and settings before sending encrypted data. By following these practices, you make the most of AI-powered encryption and keep your files protected on any device.